The buzz around the 2025 BYD Atto 3 EV is heating up, with rumors swirling about its upcoming price, specs, and release date. This highly anticipated electric vehicle EV is expected to revolutionize the EV market, offering a blend of performance, style, and affordability. Let's dive into the latest leaks that have car enthusiasts and tech lovers on the edge of their seats.
Before we delve further into our journey, we kindly invite you to subscribe to AutoSpectre, your gateway to automotive excellence.
While BYD has yet to confirm the official price, early leaks suggest that the 2025 Atto 3 will be priced competitively to attract a broad range of consumers. Speculations put the starting price in the range of $30,000 to $35,000, making it an affordable alternative to premium EVs in the market. This price point would put the Atto 3 in direct competition with popular models like the Tesla Model Y and the Hyundai Kona Electric. As for the specs, the 2025 Atto 3 is rumored to feature an upgraded powertrain that offers more than 250 miles of range on a single charge. Powering the electric SUV will likely be a 60 kilowatt-hour battery paired with an advanced motor capable of delivering 200 to 250 horsepower. This combination promises impressive acceleration and top speeds, positioning the Atto 3 as a powerful yet eco-friendly option for everyday drivers. The release date for the 2025 BYD Atto 3 is still under wraps, but insiders predict that it will hit the global market sometime in 2025, with the first deliveries expected to begin in late 2025 or early 2026. BYD is planning to launch the Atto 3 in multiple markets, including Europe, North America, and Asia, expanding its footprint in the global EV race. The Atto 3 is expected to be a game-changer in the electric vehicle landscape, competing directly with other mainstream EVs from manufacturers like Tesla, Volkswagen, and Ford. With its impressive range, modern design, and affordable pricing, it could carve out a significant market share. Many are speculating that this new EV will push the boundaries of what budget-conscious buyers can expect from an electric SUV. The 2025 BYD Atto 3 EV promises to be a major contender in the electric vehicle market. Although official details remain scarce, these rumors are enough to get enthusiasts excited. As we await further announcements from BYD, one thing is clear: the Atto 3 will play a key role in shaping the future of electric mobility.